Hi, everyone. My name is Amy Katz, and I'm here today to give you some tips and tricks around sound and background noise. So, if you're on a Zoom call with your colleagues or presenting, you want to make sure that if there's any kind of background noise going on, like dogs barking or leaf blowers, that you go to your Zoom settings and hit suppress background noise. This will help a lot. You also want to make sure that you're aware of your own surroundings. If there are other people in your house, you might want to put a sign on the door that says that you're in a meeting so that nobody comes in while you're in the middle of your session. And just another tip, if you are presenting and you're sharing your screen and your presentation has a video embedded in it or any kind of thing that you're sharing that has sound, make sure you hit share computer sound when you're sharing your screen. This way everybody can hear you. That's it for today. Thank you.